Is this you? You walk into your house, expecting peace, and bam, you're attacked by stuff. Mountains on the counter, a closet exploding with clothes but somehow you have nothing to wear. How? And toys. They're basically having babies when you're not looking. You're not messy, you're drowning. And here's a crazy fact. All that clutter, it's pumping your body full of stress hormones. Your home, your sanctuary, is literally stressing you out. And guess what? You are not alone. Millions of people feel like they're suffocating, their energy completely drained, not because they need a bigger house, but because they have way too much junk. This isn't just, oh, my house is a bit messy. No, this is a constant state of overwhelm. Think about it. How many hours do you waste every single week searching for keys or that one charger? It's insane. Your brain is literally foggy from all the visual chaos. Seriously, this clutter causes sensory overload and chronic stress. Your home is making your life a nightmare. You buy organizers for your organizers. Does that sound bonkers, or what? You spend your weekends, your precious free time, just moving junk from one pile to another. And then it all comes back. It's a soul-crushing, exhausting cycle. So many people are stressed out, anxious, can't relax, can't focus, because of stuff. This isn't a small problem, people. This is a huge barrier to living an awesome life. All that junk. It's not just taking up room in your house, it's eating your brain. But what if I told you, there's a secret weapon? A way to get your space back, your time back, your sanity back, using strategies that are guaranteed to work. This isn't some crazy, extreme challenge where you throw everything out overnight and regret it. Nitrogen monoxide way. This is a smart, minimalist-inspired declutter, an intentional takedown of the clutter monster to build a home that actually helps you win at life. Minimalism isn't about having nothing, it's about living with intention. Choosing what's worthy to be in your space, focusing on what's valuable, instead of just hoarding junk. And the rewards, they are massive. Less stress. Strategy 1. The ultimate mindset hack and your epic mission. Alright, listen up. Before you touch a single thing, this first step is a total game changer. You need to shift your mindset. Ask yourself, why do I need to do this? To crush stress, to get more time for awesome hobbies, to make a chill home for your family, or even to save a ton of money by not buying useless junk. Grab a notebook and write down your why. I'm serious. This why is your superpower when it gets tough. When you're staring at some random thing and can't decide. Minimalism isn't about losing stuff. It's about being intentional. It's about making big brain choices about what deserves to be in your life. Ask, does this thing actually do anything? Does it make me happy? Or am I keeping it because I feel guilty? Or because maybe someday I'll need it? Lame excuse. Thinking like this is insanely powerful. It's not just throwing stuff away. It's building a life with things that actually matter. Remember, the goal of minimalism is to create space so you can be awesome. To clear your mind by clearing your junk. Strategy 2. Tiny tasks, massive wins, unleash the momentum. You want to know the number one reason people fail at decluttering? They go too big too fast, and then become overwhelmed. City. The secret to winning is to start small. And I mean really, really small. Don't say, I'm decluttering the entire kitchen. Nitrogen monoxide. Say, I'm destroying this one junk drawer. Or, I'm clearing this tiny spot on the counter. Or even, I'm attacking that terrifying pile of mail for 5 minutes. Set a timer, 15, 20 minutes. You will be shocked at what you can crush in that short time. This strategy is genius for 2 reasons. First, it makes the job feel easy, stopping that where do I even start panic. Second, every tiny victory gives you a rush and makes you want to keep. Strategy 3. Laser focus. Attack one zone, one victory. Okay, you've got some wins, you're feeling good. Now you can go a bit bigger, but stay focused. Pick one room, or one category of stuff. That's IT. Maybe this weekend, it's bedroom demolition day. Or if that's too much, just obliterate your clothes. You've probably heard of that KonMari lady. She makes you pile up every single piece of clothing you own. It's shocking to see, but it's mega effective because you see the insane amount of stuff. Whether you do it room by room, or category by category like all your books, then all your kitchen gadgets, a point is laser focus. This stops you from just shuffling junk around and feeling like you're getting nowhere, and it gives you that amazing mission accomplished feeling when one area is done. If you choose clothes, go all in, empty everything, touch every item. Don't even think about another category until your clothes are perfect. Strategy 4, the decision arsenal game-winning decluttering moves. Alright, you've got your target. Now for the tough part, how do you decide what stays and what goes? Here are some proven battle-tested methods, the 4-box or 5-box smackdown. This is a classic for a reason. Get 4 or 5 boxes and label them. Keep stuff you use, love, and that makes your life awesome. This gets a proper home later. Donate and give away good stuff you don't need. Strategy 5, creating ultimate chill minimalist organization secrets. Decluttering is only half the battle. People. Smart organization is the other half if you want to KAP that awesome new space. But here's the golden rule. Do not buy any storage containers until after you've decluttered. Minimalism is about less stuff, not just hiding more junk in fancy boxes. Everything needs a home base. This is the foundation of an organized, minimalist paradise. Every single item you keep must have its own spot. If you can't find a logical home, ask yourself again if it really needs to stay. Simple storage domination. Go for clearer matching bins and baskets. This creates visual calm, and you can see your stuff instantly. Pick storage that looks cool with your room, not stuff that adds more noise. Label everything like a boss, especially for boxes you can't see into. Labels are your best friend. They save so much time and stop you from tearing open 10 boxes to find one thing. The one in, one out rule of the ultimate clutter blocker. Once you're decluttered, use this rule, especially for clothes or books. New item in, old item out. It's a simple way to stop clutter from sneaking back. Go vertical. Use your walls, think up, shelves, wall organizers, stackable bins. These help you maximize space without cluttering your surfaces. Furniture that does double duty. Genius level. Get furniture with built-in storage. Ottomans that open, beds with drawers, benches with storage. Smart moves. Look, this decluttering thing, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Some days you'll be hyped, ready to destroy every cluttered corner. Other days, just thinking about another box will feel impossible. That's 100% normal. Be cool with yourself. Remember your why of that epic reason you wrote down. Focus on progress, not perfection. Even 15 minutes of decluttering is a win. And get this, it's okay if this gets emotional. You're not just ditching junk. You might be letting go of old versions of yourself, forgotten dreams, or memories. Feel those feelings. But remember, getting rid of the stuff doesn't erase the memories. You're making space for the awesome. You absolutely can stop drowning in stuff by hacking your mindset, starting with tiny wins to hacking one zone at a time, using these insane decision strategies, and organizing like a pro. You can transform your home from a stress pit into an epic sanctuary of peace and joy. This isn't about some lame trend. It's about building a home that actually works for you, so you can live a simpler, more awesome life. This minimalist journey is unbelievably rewarding. I'm telling you, you'll get back so much space. Your mind will be clearer. You'll have more time for cool stuff, and way less stress. Remember all those benefits. Calm mind, insane focus, more joy. That's what's waiting for you. So, what's the one small step you're gonna take today? Maybe it's just writing down your why. Maybe it's picking one tiny drawer to obliterate for 15 minutes. Whatever it is, commit. Just start. Nitrogen monoxide excuses. If this video blew your mind, smash that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe for more insane tips on minimalist living and creating a home you freaking love. I literally want to hear from you in the comments. What's your biggest decluttering nightmare? Or what's one minimalist strategy that was a total game changer for you? Let's help each other